things that you think are not possible, like the sliced meat that you slice before cooking, then you cook. Everybody said, no, the protein reattached. No, it doesn't. The bread, the peelability of the bag, the super high quality fish cooking at low temperature. I mean, all those things, they are very unique, and it's the only way you can cook it, because it's cooked on water, and water is the best transmitter of heat or cold. And so that's why we have to put it sous vide, which means under emptiness. The water is very close to the pouch and cooks the product. And that's what makes the difference. If it's done correctly, it cooks at the exactly perfect temperature. And with the time, it has the perfect tenderness, or the tenderness that you want to have, the color that you want to have. And if the raw material is good, it restitutes the taste about 3 or 4 times the normal part. And then on top of that, what we've learned from this, like cryo-concentration and different technologies like that, is that we can, on top of it, reinforce the flavor that we want to get from the products. Some of those flavors were unique to sous vide. The cryo-concentration that comes from a sous vide process at the beginning, where you mix the waste of vegetables with water, and then you cryo-concentrate, but you cook it sous vide, then you cryo-concentrate. And we realized that, for example, in the angel hair of corn, you have a tremendous corn flavor. And nobody uses, they give it to animals or for feeding animals, but this is a fantastic taste of corn in the angel hair. The husk of the artichoke, same thing. The stem and then the leaves, fantastic taste. And cryo-concentrated, extraordinary.